Over 50, waking up with a body that feels stiff and frozen. Don't force yourself into high-intensity workouts. This gentle Tai Chi routine will safely melt away morning stiffness, release deep upper back tension, and boost your metabolism to burn belly fat, making your body feel 10 years younger. Three, 2, 1, go. Exercise 1. Fluid side stretch for meridian flow. Shift your weight gently, extending one arm diagonally, while subtly flexing the waist to stretch the side body. This open posture safely burns calories, targets belly fat control, and thoroughly releases deep morning stiffness in your lower back. Three, 2, 1, rest. Three, 2, 1, go. Exercise 2. Cosmic circle for heart-key alignment. Sink into a gentle half squat, bringing your palms face to face. Then sweep them upward from your chest in a soothing circle. This dynamic movement stimulates full body blood circulation, enhances core control for fat reduction, and gently unlocks stiff shoulder joints. Three, 2, 1, rest. Three, 2, 1, go. Exercise 3. Rotating the wheel of vitality. Keep your elbows softly bent, rotating your upper arms clockwise. Then smoothly reverse the direction counterclockwise. This nourishing motion relieves chronic neck and shoulder strain, releases joint tightness, and instantly boosts morning brain vitality and alertness. Three, 2, 1, rest. Three, 2, 1, go. Exercise 4. Looking back to melt away stiffness. Stand tall and rotate your torso smoothly, extending your arms diagonally upward to the back, alternating left and right as your gaze follows your hands. This deep twist releases severe tension along your spine, enhances digestion, and activates core calorie burn. Three, 2, 1, rest. Three, 2, 1, go. Exercise 5. Stepping back to fuel metabolism. Alternate kicking your legs backwards smoothly while dropping your arms, then bending them back to your chest. This high-efficiency movement focuses on dynamic belly fat reduction, strengthens your glutes and lower back, and melts away lower body stiffness. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 6. Rising Lotus to awaken quads. Gently rise up on your tiptoes while raising your upper arms high, then lower them smoothly with your breath. This precise alignment stimulates local blood circulation, calms the nervous system, and releases deep muscle tightness from your head to your toes. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 7. Interlocked palms reaching to heaven. Interlock your fingers in front of your chest. Turn your palms upward to straighten your arms above your head. And gently tilt your head back. This deep elongation targets belly fat reduction by stretching the core, effectively melts away severe morning stiffness, and releases profound tension along your entire spine. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 8. Stepping cosmic circle for deep mobility. Take a gentle step out and rotate your torso smoothly in a clockwise circle. Then seamlessly reverse the direction counterclockwise. This fluid, large-range movement safely burns calories, targets lower belly fat control, and deeply unlocks stubborn tightness in your hip and pelvic joints. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 9. Swinging arms to awaken life energy. Swing your arms fluidly from side to side to gently pat your waist, letting your torso and head turn naturally with the movement. This traditional Meridian practice stimulates deep blood circulation around your organs, relieves chronic lower back strain, and instantly releases stiffness to awaken morning vitality. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 10. Side to side hip sway with fluid waves. Sway your hips smoothly from side to side, while letting your straightened arms glide up and down in harmony with the movement. This dynamic rhythm enhances core stability, targets stubborn belly fat, and gently frees your lower back and pelvic ring from deep morning tightness. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 11. Descending wave for full body release. Stand tall with your arms extended straight upward. Then bend from the waist into a half squat, while swinging your arms vigorously downward. This highly efficient, dynamic movement activates full body calorie burn, focuses on reducing belly fat, and rapidly thaws rigid morning stiffness. Three, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 12. Gathering embraces to expand the chest. Sink into a gentle half squat, shaping your arms into a soothing circle in front of your chest. Then stand tall as your arms open wide to welcome the morning air. This comforting movement stimulates profound blood circulation, balances the nervous system, and thoroughly opens a tight chest and stiff shoulder joints. Three, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 13. Celestial cross and fluid earth circle. Stand tall and cross your straightened arms over your head. Then sink into a half squat while sweeping your arms down and crossing them in front of your chest. This fluid movement stimulates metabolic fat burn, targets belly fat control, and deeply thaws stiff shoulder and hip joints. Three, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 14. Alternating shoulder pat for meridian release. Extend one arm straight forward while using the other hand to gently pat your opposite back, neck, and shoulder, alternating smoothly. This soothing meridian exercise releases severe morning tension in the upper back, boosts brain alertness, and promotes optimal blood circulation. Three, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 15. High knee and dynamic arm sweep. Lift your knee high while straightening your arms overhead and sweeping them dynamically downward. This high-energy movement targets core stability, accelerates belly fat reduction, and completely melts away stiffness in your lower body and pelvic joints. Three, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 16. Nourishing neck extension for spine alignment. Gently tilt your head back to look upward, then slowly lower your chin toward your chest, alternating this mindful neck stretch. This restorative movement deeply releases chronic neck and upper back strain, calms the nervous system, and restores morning flexibility. Three, two, one, rest. Three, two, one, go. Exercise 17. Overhead arm sway with fluid hip twist. Straighten your arms completely above your head and sway them from side to side while smoothly twisting your hips. This powerful dynamic twist activates full body calorie burn, focuses on reducing stubborn belly fat, and frees your lower back from rigid stiffness. Three, two, one, rest. Three, two, one, go. Exercise 18. Expanding wings for chest and heart openness. Place your hands flat on your shoulders. Bring your elbows together in front, and then smoothly open them wide to the sides. This comforting practice instantly improves posture, stimulates localized blood circulation in the chest, and thoroughly releases deep muscle tightness. Wonderful job! You have completed today's morning routine. Which movement did your stiff joints enjoy the most today? Tell me in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and practice daily for a lighter, younger body.